Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 1 Maths. In this class we are going to discuss increasing order and decreasing order. Already I have explained you children increasing and decreasing order. Once again I will explain you. Writing numbers from the smallest to the greatest. What? Writing numbers from the smallest to the greatest is known as increasing order. Increasing order means writing the number from small number to big number. Small number to big number. Now 1 is the small number, 10 is the big number. So writing numbers from small to big is known as increasing order. It is also known as ascending order. Increasing is also known as ascending. Increasing is also known as ascending. Writing numbers, repeat after me. Writing numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest to the greatest is known as increasing order. Increasing order is also known as ascending order. Increasing order is also known as ascending order. In increasing order, we will write the numbers from, first we will select a small number, then next small number, then next small number, then last big number, from small to big. Increasing order, writing the numbers from small to big. We will read out the numbers first, then in that number we will select which is the small number. After that, next small number, then we will fill the dashes A and B. Yes children, you will copy in your classwork this. You will copy in your classwork. You will write in the same way. You will write increasing order, definition and A1. B1 you will not write like this. B1 you will copy down. A1 and B1 down. No space for me, so I wrote here. But A1, after completing A1, B1 you will copy down. And how it should be? Finger space gap between each digit. These are digits children. 5, 8, 3, 1, 9 are what? Digits. Single digits. Single digit. Here you can read 16, 10, 18, 12, 19. What are these? They are 2 digits number. These all are 2 digit number. In this, how many digits are there? 1 is there, 6 is there. So 2 digits are there. 1 is there, 10 is there. So 2 digits are there. These all are single digit numbers. These all are 2 digit numbers. Is it clear children? We will arrange these numbers from small number to big number. Small number to ascend means small to big. Ascend means going from down to up. Going from down to up. Descend means up to down. Descend means coming from up to down. So here ascend means we will increase. Ascend means we will increase. Descend means we will decrease. So first we will read out the numbers. Come on, read the numbers. 5, 8, 3, 1, 9. Among these numbers, which is the small number? When you write 1, 2, 3, 4, which number comes first? That is the small number. Understood children? When you write numbers, which number comes first? That is the small number. Now in this 5, 8, 3, 1, 9. Which number comes first when you write numbers? 1 comes first. So 1 is the small number. So first you will write 1. Yes, we finished 1 now. Now leave 1 and remaining numbers you should read. 1 already completed. So we will put a tick mark and we will finish 1. Because 1 is already finished. Now move to 5, 8, 3, 9. 1 is completed. Leave 1. 5, 8, 3, 9. Among this, which is the small number after writing 1? After 1, 2. After 2, 3. So next small number is 3. You don't have 2 in this, yes? So next small number is 3. We don't have 2 in these numbers. So next small number is after 1. Next small number is 3. Now 1 and 3 finished children. 1 and 3 finished. We should read remaining numbers. 5, 8, 9. How many? 3 are left. 5, 8, 9. Among this, which is less children? 5 chocolates less, 9 chocolates less, or 8 chocolates less? 5 chocolates are less. So 5 is the next small number. Then you have 8 and 9. 8, 9. In these two numbers, which is the small number, 8 or 9? Yes, 8 is the small number. So first we will write 8. Then we will write 9 last big number. In this way you will write, children, small to big, smallest number to the greatest number. So first 1 is the smallest number, 9 is the greatest number. So ascending order means writing numbers, arranging the numbers from small to big, arranging numbers from small number to greater number. Now we will go to B1, children. Read out the numbers first. 16, 10, 18, 12, 9. We are writing ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from small number to greatest number. So among these numbers, which is the small number? 16 or 10? Same in this, which is the small, 16 or 10? Yes, 10 is the small. 10 is the first small number among all these 5 numbers. So first we will write 10. Yes, now 10 finished, children. We will read remaining numbers. 16, 18, 12, 19. Now which is the small, 16 or 12? 18 or 19? Yes, 12 is the next small number. So after 10 we will write 12 next small number. We completed 10, we completed 12. Now we will read the remaining numbers, 16, 18, 19. Among these 3, which is the small? 16, 18 or 19? Yes, 16 is the next small number. We will write 16. Now 16 finished, 10 also finished, 12 also finished. We are left with 2 numbers now, 18 and 19. Among these 18 and 19, which is the small number? 18 is the first small number. When you write numbers, which number you will write first? 18 or 19? 18 we will write first. So 18 is the small number. 19 comes next. Is it clear? Like this you will write, children, small number to the greatest. 10 is the first small number in this and 19 is the greatest number. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. So in this ascending order we will write numbers from small to greatest. Read the spelling: WRITING, writing. NUMBERS, numbers. FROM, from. THE, the. SMALLEST, smallest. TO2, THE, the. GREATEST, greatest. IT, ISEs, ALSO, also. KNOWN, known. KNOWN, known. AS, CEN, DING, ascending. AS, CEN, DING, ascending. ORDER, order. So you try to read this. You should learn, children, ascending order, descending order. What is ascending order? What is descending order? You should learn. Like this you should learn, and you should have this writing numbers from the smallest to the greatest is the ascending order. Now we will move to descending order. Descending order means greatest to the smallest. Greatest to the smallest. So writing numbers from the greatest to the smallest is also known as descending order. Decreasing order is also known as descending order. Increasing order is known as ascending order. Increasing order is also known as ascending order. Decreasing order is also known as descending order. Descending order means greatest to the smallest. Descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest, means biggest numbers to the smallest number. Now we will read out the number. In this, here we wrote small to big. Now in descending we will write big to small. Descending we will write big number to small number. Read out the number: 6, 9, 1, 7, 3. Among these all are single digit number. 14, 12, 16, 11, 20 are 2 digit numbers. 6, 9, 1, 7, 3. In this, which is the big number? Which is the greatest number? 6, 9, 1, 7 or 3. Which is the big number? 9 is the big number. Yes, children, 9 is the big number. So first we will write 9. Now we finished 9. Read out the remaining numbers: 6, 1, 7, 3. 6, 1, 7, 3. Among this, which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number. So write 7. Now we finished with 9 and 7. We finished 9 and 7. We will read remaining 3 numbers. 6, 1, 3. In this, which is the big number? 6, 1, 3. Yes, 6 is the big number. Now we are left with 9 and 7. Now we are left with 193. Now we are left with 193. Now say me which is big, 1 or 3. Which is the greatest number? 1 chocolate is more or 3 chocolates are more? Yes, 3 chocolates are more. So then comes 3, at last 1. So this is the way of writing numbers from greatest to the smallest. First 9 is big, then comes 7, then 6, then 3, then 1. In this way we will write descending order. Big number to the smallest number. This is the greatest number and this is the smallest number. Now move on to the B1. 14, 12, 16, 11, 20. In this, which is the big number, children? All these are 2 digits numbers. In this, which is the big number? Yes, 20 is the first big number. 20 is the first big number. So first we will write 20. Now we will leave 20. 20 already written. So now we will not read 20. Only 4. 14. 4 numbers we will read. 14, 12, 16, 11. In this, which is the big number? 14 or 12? 16 or 11? Yes, 14, 12, 16, 11. In this, 14 is greater or 16 is greater? 16. We will write 16. We finished 20 and 16. Now 3 numbers are left. 14, 12, 11. In this, which is the greatest number? 14 is the greatest number. Now we are left with 2 numbers, 12 and 11. Say me which is greater in this? 12 is big number or 11 is the big number? Yes, after writing 11 only we write 12. So 12 is the big number. The number that comes after is the big number. The number that comes before is the small number. So 12 is the big number. Now last we are left with 11. Write 11. Is it clear? Like this you will write greatest to the smallest. Big number to the small number. Arranging the numbers from greatest to the smallest. Greatest to the smallest is known as descending order. Here small to big is known as ascending order. Small to big is known as ascending order. Big to small is known as descending order. Is it clear, children? Understood? You write some more numbers and try to do ascending and descending on your own. Is it clear? Copy ascending and descending very neatly in your classwork, children. You will write ascending definition and then you will copy A, you will copy B down, not like me here. You will copy B down, then you will leave 2 lines, you will copy descending order, then A and B. Is it clear? Copy it very neatly in your classwork. Now we will go to the next topic, children. See. Comparing numbers. What is this? This is crocodile mouth. How crocodile will open mouth to eat? It will open his mouth big. Yes or no? It will open mouth very big, not small. Crocodile will open mouth big. So why crocodile is opening mouth big here? To eat big numbers. To eat big numbers. Wherever big numbers are there, mouth will be open. Mouth will be open. Mouth will be always open towards the big number. So suppose if I am giving here 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Say in this which is the big number. 5 is big or 3 is big? You all know 5 chocolates are more or 3 chocolates are more, children? Yes, 5 chocolates are more. So 5 is the big number. So 5 is here. So where big number is there, mouth will be open like this towards the big number. Mouth will be open towards the big number. This is known as greater than sign. What is this known as? Greater than sign. Mouth will be always open towards the big number. Here mouth is open towards the big number 5. So this is known as greater than sign. Now here I am writing 4 and here 9. Now say me which is the big number. 4 is big or 9 is big? Which number is big? 4 or 9? Yes, 9 is big. So mouth will be open towards 9. Is it clear? Mouth will be open towards 9. And this sign is known as less than sign. This sign is known as less than sign. Mouth should be open towards the big number. Remember that, children. So when the mouth is open this side, it is known as greater than sign. When the mouth is open that side, that is known as less than sign. Suppose I will give one more example to you. Now which sign you will write, dear children? Both the sides. Read out the number 5, 5. Both the sides we have same digits. Both the sides we have same digits. So we will use equal to sign. Which sign is this? Equal to. Because both here also 5, here also 5 chocolates, here also 5 chocolates. Your friend have 5 chocolates, you have 5 chocolates. Then both are equal. Both of them have same number of chocolates. So this is called equal to sign. This is called equal to sign. Is it clear, children? Wherever the number is big, mouth will be open towards the big number. And this is known as equal to sign. Copy this very neatly in your books, children. Copy this greater than, less than, and all this you will copy very neatly. This no need to write. This is only for you to explanation. In once again in other class I will explain you in detail greater than, less than, and equal to sign. Now you copy this in your classwork, children. Is it clear? Complete your classwork very neatly. Thank you.